Which color you want?
Blue.
B-L-U-E. 1, 2, 6, 5. Which number you want?
6.
S-I-X. Again choose one number.
3.
T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay, so your number is 3. You will become a fashion designer. Hey guys, today we will learn how to make a fortune teller. See, for this you need a square paper. If you take it light colored, it will be very good for you, because if you will write something on it, then it is easy for you to read it. So first of all, we will first fold our page into half. Again, from the other side also, you have to turn your page into half. Now turn your page like this. Again, turn the paper, fold it into half. Turn this paper half. You'll get a fine line over here. Now you have to fold it till this line. Now you have to turn it into half like this, and if you insert your fingers, you can see your fortune teller is ready. You can write names of color like red, blue, green, yellow. Here you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can write name of profession. Hope you guys find my videos interesting. If you like my videos, please share it, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.